So while we are heading out to the Pacific Northwest, we decided to stop in Laramie, Wyoming, and run up the mountain to Medicine Bow National Forest and do some hiking and exploring up there.
Just outside of Laramie, Wyoming, there is a national forest called Medicine Bow. And there is a snowy range park up here with an absolutely beautiful lake that we're trying to hike around because we hear a waterfall on the other side we want to see if we can get to. There's Angel. We have made it to the other side of the lake. I can hear the waterfall down there. We're going to keep going. So we hiked around to the other side of the lake following the sound of waterfall. And we found some major snow melt-off water movement. You gotta love it. There's still a lot of snow up here. We are just under 10,000 feet above sea level. Last I looked, we were at 9,700 feet. So we tried to go up and over the pass of Medicine Bow, but the road was still closed. It doesn't open until Memorial Day. So on the way back down, we found a road that goes up towards Sand Lake that is already open. Not by much, but it's open. So we're heading up towards Sand Lake to see what we can see. We didn't quite make it all the way up to Sand Lake. The road was totally covered in snow. So we pulled off to check out some of the scenery and some of the pull-off trails. And you just gotta love the winter melt-off. Lots of snow melting, creating rivers, flowing underneath the snow on the sides. Gotta love this time of year. We're currently at 9,100 feet above sea level. Found a little waterfall. Looks absolutely beautiful downstream. I do not believe there's anything I can do with a camera to give this justice. Just the beauty of the melting snow, the roaring river, and the one thing this cannot do is the smell. Just absolutely love the smell of mountain pines. Really, you cannot do this justice. The absolute beauty of the melting snow, the runoff, and the smell of the freshly growing pine trees in the mountains. Mountain Bow near Laramie, Wyoming.
Medicine Bow.
Medicine Bow.
Medicine Bow Haute National Forest.
Current elevation about 9,100 feet. Please forgive me, a little winded.
Me too.
9,000 foot elevation. We're hiking Corner Mountain Trail. It's a loop in Medicine Bow. As we're getting higher and higher in the elevation, you can still see there's snow on the ground. But out enjoying the day. Getting a little bit of sunshine, feels great. Angel's doing great. Beautiful day to be out here. A lot more snow than we thought.
Yes, indeed.
I suppose if you get out here early enough in the spring, you beat the rangers and their chainsaws. This is the third set of logs we had to climb over. One thing I will say about Corner Mountain, it is very well marked. You can see the blue blaze right above Angel on the left. Alright, so we just did the Corner Mountain Trail. It's a little over 2 miles long. We ended up turning around at 1 mile. We talked to some locals and there was some really deep snow on the back side of the trail. And then we looked up at the sky and it was starting to turn black, and there's 70% chance of storms today. So we decided to turn around after 1 mile.
It's actually a 2.7 mile loop.
I'm looking at the sign behind us. It says 2.
Yeah, but the All Trails says, oh well.
Whatever. 2.7 miles, whatever. We turned around at 1 mile. So we're going to head back to Laramie, back to the RV, and call that a day. We actually did 3 hikes today, the one around the lake and the one along the river and this one. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.
It was a great day.